In this video, I will tell you how to make this type of lock screen Instagram Reels video. So first of all, we will open our Instagram application and we will go to a Reels section here. And here I will click on this filter icon here and I will search for iPhone lock screen. So here you can see the first one, the filter on a green color. Just click on this one. So this is a filter, so you can use your front camera to record a video. So this is how you can make this type of reels on your Instagram. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.